What's up, Kim folks, and welcome back. Well, got the little wagon fixed up. Should be braiding up wire so I can stretch across from these damn trees over here, but had a Sharknado come through the other night, or last night. Knock a limb on the damn electric. Hopefully it didn't short out the Energizer. Need a distraction. Them old yardbirds love them some bread. You can't make this shit up, folks. Yep, always something to do. Decide what you want to do. Yeah, I just stretched it and made 2 loops. Looks like it made this more floppy. And it blew old plastic up. Oh yeah, got some eggs in there. You can come get the. I got this unplugged. Let me plug it back in. It says it's working, but I'm touching it. It ain't doing nothing. Well, here another one bites the dust. Another 80 bucks. Y'all keep y'all's eyes out, ladies. There ain't no perimeter fence up no more. I noticed they done made them a damn mud hole over here trying to undermine underneath the trailer. What in the hell are y'all doing? Put a little discouragement right there. You damn animals, more trouble than y'all are worth. I'm like lightning struck one of these damn trees back here. Hopefully not this big one. Damn lucky chicken birds. Lucky them two or them four that sleep in that magnolia tree didn't get sucked up by old Sharknator and carried off somewhere. Oh yeah. Over to West Texas or some shit, riding a tornado out. Alright, kinfolk.